Welcome to the channel and another how-to video today. We're finally going to get around to changing the transmission oil in the Wolverine X4. Now I know this is one of those things I meant to do a long time ago to make a video for you guys. I've had lots of people ask, have I done one? I said I was going to do one. Did I ever do one? No, I didn't. Guys, changing the transmission oil is super easy. All you need is, of course, your brand of gear oil. It really doesn't matter. The book calls for 80W90. I use 75W140 because that's what I use in the 500 too, in the differentials and in the differentials of this guy, so I just keep it all the same. As long as it's GL4, GL5 rated gear oil, it'll work fine. So you need that, and then a 12mm socket, and that's all you need. So first off, in case you guys don't know, I know it's dark in here, our dipstick for the transmission is here under the passenger seat. You just simply need to lift this up and you'll see this little flap right here that has this little picture of a gear. You open that up and right here is your check and your fill stick. So it's right there. We'll use that when we come to fill it. You guys want to make sure you're checking this before every ride because you do not want to run your transmission out of oil. And as far as your drain hole, let's see here. Let's see if I can give you guys the best view. Okay, we're on the passenger side. Here's the front. Here's the back. We are going to go right here as our gas fill. We're going to go under, just like the oil change video. We're going to go under right here. Let me get a light on. And as you come under, it's pretty much right exactly from our fuel fill. We're going to come under. We're going to go straight in, and you see this hole right here. There's a long slotted hole up here. Our oil drain is right back, right here, this oblong one. We have a little hole right here. That little hole right there is where our transmission drain bolt is. They're peeking out. So she's warmed up to help the oil flow a little bit. So we're just going to, not tighten, we're going to loosen this bolt and drain our transmission oil. Easy peasy. Don't drop the bolt. Don't drop the bolt. Don't drop the bolt. And there she is. Gets drained down. We'll put the plug back in and fill her back up. Alright. All drained up. We'll put our plug back in, making sure our crush washer is still on there. You guys know my belief with crush washers. They're cheap. Replace them every change if you want to. I never do. Never had a problem. The manual will tell you to replace them every time, so I'll leave that to your own discretion. I change them every few oil changes or so. And for those of you that are stickler for torquing the spec, I believe this calls for 18 foot-pounds on this drain bolt. If that's not correct, I will put it up on the screen right now. If it is correct, you'll just give me the good old thumbs up. Give me the good old thumbs up anyway on my video because that helps with YouTube's analytics and gets my video out there for others to see better. Alright, that part was easy. Now I gotta go back up top. Alright, well now with that drain, simply all you do is take your oil of choice, open up the little flappy and remove your dipstick. And the nice thing with this is you can fit pretty much the jug right down in there without too much difficulty. As long as you're quick. You don't need any special pump or anything. Just line it up, stick it in there, and squeeze away. The Wolverine X4, and I'm sure the X2 is the same, takes about, I think the book calls for 1.48 quarts. So about 1.5. You get buy 2 quarts, you'll have plenty. We'll put most of it in, check it, and then top off as need be. We look to be about right spot on. I'm going to give that another second to settle. We'll check it again. Make sure we're good. So guys, literally that is all the more it takes to change the transmission fluid in your Wolverine X4, X2. It's absolutely easy to do. It's definitely something you can tackle yourself. You need a 12mm bolt, the gear oil of your choice, and about 10 minutes you can have this done and are ready to hit the trails again. So I hope you find this video helpful if it's time for you to do maintenance on your machine and to change your transmission oil. And I also have how-to videos on how to change the oil and the differentials, both front and rear in this guy. So you guys can check those out if you're wanting to know how to do those. I hope they not only build confidence in you so you can tackle this routine maintenance by yourself, but they can also save you some money, as you don't have to go to a dealer and pay expensive dealer rates to have this stuff done. So thanks for watching, and until next time, keep on riding.